Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube topic. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to slow down or speed up any YouTube video playback without any stress on your phone. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your YouTube app. You haven't opened up your YouTube app, next thing you need to do is to choose a particular video. Let's say, for instance, I want to watch this video. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on the video. Then have a click on the video. Next thing we want to do is to see how we can slow down or speed up the speed of the video. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to click, and once you click on the video, you are going to see different options. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon right here. Then this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to click on playback speed. Then you have different options right here. Click on this plus sign right here to increase the speed. Everything depends on how best you want to watch the video speed. Use the minus sign right here to slow down the speed of the video. Everything depends on how exactly you want to customize it. It's that simple. Once you are done, exit, then start watching the video. So you can see the video is played in a slow fashion right here. So if you want to play it in a speed up fashion, click on here again and then go back. Then you can simply use this plus sign right here to speed up the video. Then let's go back. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to slow down or speed up your YouTube playback video. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.